What's up, everyone? Crypto Trader Mitch here, and in this video, I'm going to give you basically some clear examples on why we can see the crypto market on a whole is in a crazy bull market right now. That doesn't mean we don't want to trade and invest, prudently, but at the same time, we know that we can essentially lean to the long side with our decisions. So we'll look at good old Bitcoin first, and if you recall, in a prior video, I addressed essentially when we got the spike through this 10K level, which obviously was a big psychological level. People had talked about it for months and months. Huge spike, um, and then pullback, doji candle, doji candle. Basically, those are essentially candles that show indecision. Basically, big wicks to the up and down side, small bodies, and then the question was, all right, what is Bitcoin telling us here? Is it going to pull back? Is it going to consolidate? Essentially, we got a little bit of consolidation because we just got the two indecision candles in a row. Then it pushed higher, but still within these doji candles. So it was like, all right, do we have a clear buy signal? Do we have a clear sell signal? We have neither, which is why I said I was just holding my position, and I was happy to do that. We pushed higher, and now today we actually breached the prior intraday high at 11. What is that? 11,485 that was created, and if we close above this, we're essentially, have completed another leg higher and pushed into a new range. We are extended though. Even this like little uptrend line is super aggressive. So again, I'm just holding here. I'm not buying. I like to buy on pullbacks like this. This is a great buying opportunity, or even consolidations. This pullback here, we pull back right to some support levels. Boom, get in, ride the wave up. Same thing here, consolidation, moved higher. You can see it failed actually around 8K. Then it pushed higher, consolidated, and then we broke out. So essentially, when you consolidate and then it breaks the top of that consolidation, boom, get long, get the big move. So again, it goes back to look to buy pullbacks, hold core positions. I'm fine with the fact that I didn't add any here because this is complete indecision. You don't know which way it's going to go. If you want to, I guess, be a little more risky, you can say, all right, we're in a bull market, so I'm going to gamble that it's going higher. So that's one way to play it. And again, like I said, indecision, we rip higher. Bull market. A clear example is Litecoin. So we got the push higher. We went through new highs, broke this resistance, pullback. Prior videos, I talked about this. This is a pullback I like, touched the trend line. You had the support resistance line here, the prior one. So I was lucky enough to grab some in the 80s right here in one of these wicks. And we closed on that rebound candle, ripped. And then you see we pushed yesterday. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yesterday we pushed to a new intraday high. We broke this high. Actually, where it's trading at right now. That was the intraday high it made a few days back. Spiked through it, pull back. This is a complete reversal candle. Spiked through a new high, came back down. This is a reversal top candle. You think we would probably get a pullback, maybe come back to 94, 95, this prior top. Nope. Right now we're pushing higher. We'll see if we can breach this high that it made of 104.75 yesterday. But that's my point. I mean, the probabilities, and that's everything about charting. You do charting and look for entries because you want to put the probabilities in your favor. And when you see a reversal candle, it's like, all right, the probability is that we're either going to consolidate or pull back, and we're just pushing higher here. So that's the kind of sole reason I know we're in this aggressive bull market. Now, that doesn't mean I'm going to chase stuff. I'm still going to look to buy on pullbacks here, and then I'll just hold for these moves because we're going to still get pullbacks along the way. So there'll be opportunities like this again. There'll be opportunities here. And these are really what, where you want to buy. So I'm going to look at one last thing, a lower priced one, EOS, one of the altcoins. This one is stair-stepping up like crazy right now. I was lucky enough to grab some here on this consolidation and then again here on this consolidation. So as you see now, yeah, the opening closing high of around $4. It spiked through it, and now it's pulled back, and we're getting this kind of indecision candle here. So I'll be curious to see if this thing um, either pulls back a little bit, consolidates sideways. It could do similar to what it's been doing here, and that'd be fine if it continues to do the stair step pattern. So I wouldn't mind seeing a day or two of consolidation here, and I'd probably actually add if that does happen, and then we go. But who knows? We'll see. I mean, like I said, aggressive bull market. This thing could decide to turn around today and friggin' rip. You don't know. But ideally, I'll just hold my position. If we get some more consolidation or even a little pullback, I'll probably buy some. Otherwise, I'll just hold. And the ultimate target is the intraday high of about 550. So that's the next target. And then, when it gets there, reevaluate. The thing about these lower price coins is obviously you can get some big returns because a coin that, EOS was a dollar less than a month ago, it's at, more than 3 times that now. So that's what's good about the smaller altcoins. You can have the opportunities for these real explosive returns. I look at some of them, but not too many. I actually came across something that focuses on it more. Um, the best-selling author James Altucher created basically like a crypto masterclass, and this is one of the things they focus on is these smaller priced coins. So you can find those 1,000+ % returns, which is just bananas, but I mean they're out there. So I'm gonna share. I'll share that with you in a second here, and that'll be it until the next video. If the name James Altucher doesn't ring a bell, here are some of the books that he's written. Almost all of these are bestsellers. He has many others. And he essentially jumped into the cryptocurrency game and found and assembled a team of kind of like cryptocurrency experts. And with that, he's created a crypto masterclass. And he's got a bunch of information, and he gives away a bunch of books along with the masterclass. Let's see. I believe this is one of the books that he gives away. And again, this course, it's kind of a complete, cryptocurrency investing course, but at the same time, like I said earlier, it focuses on a lot of these lower price coins so you can really find those explosive returns, 500%, 1,000%, the craziness that we're seeing and take advantage of it while it's going on. So if it's you want to check it out, I'll put a link in the show notes and you can give it a look. Thanks again.